instrument. All of the people who say equal rights and justice, salvation, redemption, repatriation, restoration, liberation, emancipation, self-esteem, self-awareness, self-reliance, self-thought, self-control, respect, discipline, diligence, humility, tolerance, and most ultimately, self-determination. Everybody will believe in themselves once in the year. Once in the year! One part! Look at that! And Bagua I sing. Down, change. We gotta do something about it. Oh, we gotta do something about it. Oh, change. We gonna do something about it. History behind that song. I may have to tell them about that history. This rhythm, the name of the rhythm is Sweat. I didn't actually went into the studio and record a song in this rhythm. I was in Europe on tour, and a man called me and said, "Yo, Capleton, you have the number one song in Jamaica." And I said, "Yeah, wow. Boom." You know I'm going to continue? You know I'm going to continue? Remember, I instrument, you know, and a black instrument, you know, a reggae month, you know. Level or off cut. Watch me. When I voice the song, I did two songs on the rhythm. The original rhythm that I voiced on was Thunderclap. Hey, brother, I somebody I do the homework. Somebody do the homework out there. Oh, I'm furious. Well on. My voice is a black girl song on the rhythm. I mean, I say, John, with a style like too bad. You can't waste this. I have to find something. The airplane. And the summer come up with R1. But you don't want to hear the song with the voice on it before? Do you want to hear? Listen on the creative. I know. Rough cut. Listen. I know the way. How to sex my girls and know the way. How to sex my girls and know the way. How to sex my girl. But it's not like it's a party, but I don't want to have it. Anyway, I'm saying, but you get to make a message in that. Level. Want to know something I deal with tired people, you know? I'm going to deal with lazy people, you know. When Capleton come in name energy, it name frenzy. Like this. Level. All the pro-Jamaicans who know so we don't sell out on the heritage, on the culture, on the philosophy, on the curriculum, 2 once in a year. If in a bad mind, put up your hand, you know. Then your man put it over there, so bomb up, lad. Look at that crowd, everybody stand for them. Look at that, let's stand. Alicia. Come on, everyone, ladies and gentlemen. Level. We're not going like a Premier Lord show. A very show. Why you want to sing? Come on, everyone. Me not here. What I do? Alright, me not say nothing. Me not say nothing. Where you light up? What a fighter. Where you light up? What a fighter. Where you light up? Along the boat, something like that here. Where you on? Where you on? I say, yeah, I want to talk about. Where you on? Push it down, all the next one. Leave Reggae Fhusion. Oh, if we not done no way, we have on like this. Links to one to the wrist. Bad one, one to the wrist. Oh, faster, 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 one back now. We don't need to if nobody can box in your face and thump in your mouth, more see everybody thump the sky. Video man. Oh man! Looking at it instead! We're ready! Everybody jump! Hey, some nobody looking up. Take it up. One under. Run me in the brother. One under. Run me in. Run me in. One under. All right. 11 minutes. Please. Me have to dash a fire. That fire you have to dash. Linstead, Backwalk, St. Catherine. Church Road. We are going to dash a fire upon injustice, inequality, manipulation, death without dignity, exploitation, racism, sexism, cannibalism, vampirism, Ice Age, SARS, anthrax, smallpox, bird flu, swine flu, AIDS, Ebola, incest, rapist, pedophile, and most ultimately COVID-19. Could I have a lamp up, please? Hold them. I'm like Christian one, please don't play with me. Oh, Vanessa! I know that man. What's up? That's up here. That's up here. We won't go here. That's up here. That's up here. Oh, no, I couldn't catch you. Oh, no, I couldn't catch you. Linstead, what to the foot? What to the foot? All right. See ya. There's somebody getting up here. From 1989, me about this, you know. You know, on the ramp with me now. A long time, you know. Never sell out. Pay up. Me no buy a gun. Me rather buy pussy. Me no buy a bullet. I'm tell you something. A life, me say. Over the years, we have been brainwashed, educated, and enslaved from our heritage and our culture. Hey, it's some more time. That's what I love for me. I'm telling you this. There is no way you cannot know your own identity. And somebody else know your identity. And you have your own self. Don't know your identity. Why are we so gullible? Everything we get in Babylon, we accept it and say, yes, it is all good. Thank you very much. It is the norm. And we can party. We don't know if the morals gone to the dogs. Eh? It's oversaturated. It can get to it. We're not known for this kind of lifestyle. Always remember that. And God you like this. You see me? Remember, you have to know yourself. You have to know who you are. You have to know where you're coming from. In order to know where you're fucking going. Don't let me get the mic going on, you know. a carry. Hold up, hold up, hold up. Who them a could have that them a try? This thing said as you want. Who them a make us see them with a spell? This the money well on them. Who them a could have with them one cause? Them this one cause I know them. Who them a make us tell them this man? Everybody jump! Run, run, come on. Level. Watch out when I knew. Level. Well, in that time, man, if you go spend more money per vagina. Well, in that time, and we still have to give homage the people that before we, people that who set the foundation, the people that who leave the footprints and the signs of God, the people that who have substance, the people that who have longevity. That's why we're there right now, and different the culture and different the music set speed. All of me about this. Let me say if you don't remember that Capleton. That one down here, woman me lotion, woman me powder. Woman, me lotion, me down. Someone who don't know Capleton, that one on you. Them no like. Them are my enemy. Them no like me. Oh, yeah, I'm going to sing this. Oh, every. Well, video man, get it on the video. Say your woman are number one finger in her ear. And all of the ladies them know say you're the first lady. Push them up to them. Push them up and give me a one finger wave. What's up? One finger. One finger. One finger. One finger. One finger. That's all the number one. This is that one on you. No, no, one. What on you? Go on do one more time. There you go. There you go. Any man that give me a forward panda one here. Let that blood clot left for the future. There you go. She wants it hard, she wants it hard. That's why she requests me hard. She wants it hard, this is all about you. Somebody can sing for me, and I said no. Hey, me say no one done it. But you need to watch it, oh no. Take it up. Take it up. If you don't proud of yourself, don't put the cellular phone in there. If you're not proud of yourself, don't put the phone in there. Make your phone stay in your pocket. Or stay in your bag. All people are proud of yourself. Push up on a cell phone for me. Alicia, big up yourself. Big promoter. Push up the phone number. Push up the phone number. All I know. Everybody gossip. Oh, we have your phone. We have your phone. We have your phone. Got your phone and feel your own. We have your phone. We have your phone. Oh! Keep on and told me not to come home. Let's start! Listen, that one. Look, what the man them doing when eat boom boom? Alright, now look, you know. Now look. Look. So some boy I eat. When them a eat 7 days of the week, then them come a street and go on like them not tweak. Them woman step out and them secret leak. So some boy I eat. When them a eat 7 days of the week, then them come a street and go on like them not tweak. All of them man them know eat boom boom from Livingston, Bagua. Hey, when Mr. Livingston don't eat boom boom, we eat boom boom. All over like that. Tell them, man. More fire. More fire in the reggae future. Yeah, that's showing you a bit. I love it. Only shot you got to say. You know the thing, love. Reggae to the future. And I illusion. Be about the artist. What do you want to say, though? Take it. And that day I would love to see the face around those evil between you and race. And try to take things out of place. Run away to space. Through the dinner haze. After one that judgment ever go get a days. When them find out say that they can't escape. Sadness they say that the people them take. Fire on the earth. That they will come up with a Remember, without mom and dad, there would be no procreation. None of us would be here tonight. I would like Jaya and I open the culture and the roots and the music. Don't it? I don't respect all of your mother and your father. 2 hands in there, please. Mr. Video Man, can you push a bit over there for me, please? Everybody, go, sir.
I got pulled over by Babylon. Him say Rasta we smell so strong. I whispered underneath my breath. You know hear it, gunshot in a me shower tonight. Watch now, back. You want me to come off? This a one bubble, never switch me big deal. One bubble man will never kneel. How this a bubble you so real? Cause without a me still a hear the man will bust this ever seal. One bubble, them can't conceal. You can't freak me out, go tell Camille. Hear the Dan bubble, hear the Dan bubble. Let me tell you about instant man them. Listen, it's not a laugh in the matter.